Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is One Stroke Painting by Draw Fast Artist, and you can see it's a beautiful painting, and I thank the artist for such a beautiful artwork. Those interested in learning professional art courses and one-stroke painting can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. And for more information on art, do click the link of my website in about in my channel. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting videos on art techniques, tutorials. Thank you.